In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Meet to Calendly. By the end, your Calendly events will automatically include a Google Meet link, saving you time and reducing scheduling back and forth. First, open Calendly and sign in so you're on your main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and find Integrations and Apps. This is Calendly's directory of official connections that extend what your scheduling can do. On the integrations page, you can browse around, but to move quickly, use the search field and type Google Meet. You'll see the Google Meet integration card appear. Calendly connects Google Meet by linking your Google Calendar because Meet links are generated and managed through Google's Calendar platform. Select the Google Meet integration, then click Connect Google Calendar. This will take you to your calendar connection settings inside Calendly, where Google Calendar is listed as a provider. You're just a couple of clicks away now. Next, click Connect next to Google Calendar. Calendly will open a secure Google sign-in window. Choose the Google account you want to use for meetings. For best results, pick the same account where you normally host meetings and where you want your availability checked. After selecting your account, click Continue to approve the connection. You may see a permission screen outlining what Calendly needs access to, such as viewing your calendars and creating events with conferencing. These permissions are required for Calendly to add Google Meet links and prevent double booking across your schedules. Review the details, then click Continue again to finalize. Once approved, you'll be redirected back to Calendly with Google Calendar successfully connected. From now on, when you use event types configured to add conferencing, Calendly will insert a Google Meet link automatically into new bookings. Your invitees will get a confirmation with that link, and the meeting will appear on your Google Calendar with Google Meet attached. A few quick tips. If nothing happens after you click Connect, check your browser for a blocked pop-up and allow it temporarily so the Google window can open. If you manage multiple Google accounts in the same browser, make sure you pick the correct one, especially if your organization controls calendar access. If you're using a work account with admin restrictions, you may need administrator approval to grant the necessary permissions. And if you ever need to switch accounts later, return to Integrations and Apps, open your calendar settings, and update the connection. That's it. You've connected Google Meet to Calendly and streamlined your scheduling with automatic video links.